I'm going to turn 18 at the fucking bus station. I've been here for half an hour. Oh my god, finally. Shut the fuck up. The smart boy that I am, I crossed out all the important stuff. And by the way, on the side we are drinking Pepsi Max Lemon Zest.
Dad, you should taste the sauce. It's kind of zesty.
Because we ain't no H2O basic bitches. By the way, this didn't actually come from Blackwell's. I bought it off another man. I think he said his name is like Mark Chapman or something like that. I know, but I think he was a big fan of the Beatles. Oh wait, I spoiled it now, didn't I? Well, fuck it. Yay! Please handle... Why am I shaking like I have Parkinson's or something? Please handle with care. Bitch. The book has some obvious signs of use, but hey, it was €3, so that's a bargain if you... That's a bargain if you ask me. And you already know it isn't a classic book if you don't have a fat penguin on it. What the fuck are those stains on my glass? Oh wait, what's that on the side? It's just the greatest book series of all time. Why the fuck can't I speak properly? Oh wait, what's that on the side? It's just the greatest children book series of all time as far as I'm concerned. Harry Potter, more like Harry... My family doesn't want me. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, more like Diary of a Sociopath.
You broke my hand and you didn't even seem sorry. That broken hand was the best thing that ever happened to you.
Nigga, what?
Well, I think it's time I put this book next to all my other books. Done.